Welcome back to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. I've been looking into this whole AI side hustle thing, and wow,
Yeah,
there's some serious potential there.
absolutely.
We're talking like potentially making, up to $1,000 a week just using free AI tools. And that's
Definitely.
what we're going to dive into today. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart income earners. We've got our expert here with us today to help break this all down. Welcome. I'm really excited to get into this with you.
Thanks for having me. It's a really fascinating time right now because there's such a huge demand from businesses of all sizes for AI solutions. And at the same time, we have all these incredible free AI tools that make it so easy for anyone to get started.
Yeah, it really feels like a gold rush.
Right.
Anyone can just jump in and start making money.
Exactly.
And it's so much easier than it used to be. AI really simplifies a lot of those tasks that
Yeah.
used to be so complicated. So what are some of the most promising side hustles you've come across in your research? Like what can people actually start doing today?
Well, there are three that really stand out to me as having huge potential. And the
Yeah.
first one is AI chatbot development.
Okay.
Businesses are always looking for ways to improve their customer service without spending a ton of money. And AI chatbots are a perfect solution. I mean, they can handle customer inquiries 24/7. They can provide instant support. They can even help with things like scheduling appointments or processing
It's
orders.
like having a virtual assistant working around the clock. I
Exactly.
love it. And there are some good tools out there to build these chatbots, right?
Yeah.
Even if you don't know how to code.
Oh, absolutely. There are tools like ChatGPT, minichatlandbot.io
Okay.
that are super user-friendly. You can create really sophisticated chatbots just using visual interfaces and pre-built templates.
So like, for example, could I reach out to a local business, like say a bakery, and offer to build them a chatbot that could like take online orders, answer questions about their products, maybe promote their daily specials?
That's a great example. And you could easily charge anywhere from $100 to $300 for a service like that. It really just depends on, how complex the chatbot is and the features you include.
Okay.
But the best part is once you've built it, it basically runs itself. So you're generating passive income.
I like that passive income is always a good thing.
Right.
Okay, so AI chatbot development, definitely high on the list. What's the next one we should be looking at?
Okay, well, another area with a lot of potential is AI-powered graphic design.
Okay, now you're talking my language.
Right. Now, you might be thinking I'm not a designer.
Right.
But the thing is, AI is changing the game. Tools like Canva AI make it so easy to create professional-looking graphics, even if you have zero design experience. You can use it to generate social media posts, flyers, logos, presentations, anything you can think of.
So you're telling me even someone like me who can barely draw a stick figure could suddenly become a graphic design pro thanks to AI?
Pretty much. Canva uses really sophisticated algorithms to suggest layouts, color palettes. It can even generate images based on what you tell it. And if you want to get a little more creative, there are tools like Midjourney that can create really stunning artistic visuals. And then there's Adobe Express, which is great for, quick designs on the go.
So I could offer to create social media graphics for small businesses
Yeah,
or
but
for like influencers,
exactly.
or I could design flyers for local events.
Absolutely. The possibilities are endless.
And what about the earning potential? What could someone realistically make doing this?
Oh, it's fantastic. You could easily charge $50 to $150 per design, or you could offer monthly packages to clients for recurring revenue. I've seen freelance designers using Canva AI earning upwards of $3,000 a month just from creating social media graphics.
Huh. It's like having an entire design team at your disposal powered by AI.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've got AI chatbots, we've got AI-powered graphic design. What's the third hot AI side hustle that's caught your eye?
The third one that's really taking off is AI content creation. Content is king in the online world, but creating high-quality content can be really time-consuming and, let's be honest, a little daunting for some people.
Right.
But AI is making the process so much faster and easier.
I've been hearing a lot about AI writing tools lately. Are they really that good? Can they actually produce content that's engaging and well-written?
Oh, the advancements are incredible. Tools like Jasper AI, Write Sonic, even Google Bard. They're using natural language processing to generate human-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. They can help you with everything from blog posts and articles to social media captions, even creating scripts for videos.
Oh, wow. So like going back to our bakery example,
Yeah.
I could use one of these tools to write a bunch of blog posts for them, maybe
Exactly.
about their new pastries or the history of baking or even recipes featuring their products.
That's a great idea. And think about all the businesses and individuals out there who need help with writing, website copy, creating email newsletters, even just generating ideas for their content strategy. The demand is huge.
This is starting to feel less like a side hustle and more like a full-blown career change.
I know, all right.
Okay, I'm sold on the potential. But let's get practical. How do you actually find clients who are willing to pay for these services?
Yeah.
Where do you even start?
That's a great question. And there are a few really effective approaches you can take. First, you've got freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour.
Right.
These platforms are full of businesses and individuals looking for talented freelancers with AI skills.
So I could create a profile on one of these platforms and start bidding on projects that align with my chosen AI side hustle.
Exactly. You just need to present yourself as an expert in AI-driven solutions and make sure your proposals are really compelling. Highlight the value you bring to the table.
Got it. So freelance platforms are a good place to start. What other avenues could I explore to connect with potential clients?
Social media is another powerful tool, especially LinkedIn. It's perfect for networking with business owners, showcasing your expertise, building relationships with potential clients.
LinkedIn. Okay, I like that idea. But how do I make my profile stand out?
Yeah.
Attract the right clients? Any tips there?
It's all about positioning yourself as a thought leader in the AI space. Share insightful content, engage in relevant conversations, highlight your experience with AI tools and projects, and don't be afraid to reach out to people directly and start building those connections.
So be proactive. Don't be shy about showcasing my AI skills on LinkedIn. Got it.
Yeah.
What other strategies can I use to drum up business?
Don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned networking.
Hmm.
Attend industry events, join local business groups, even just reach out to businesses in your community that could benefit from your services. You'd be surprised how many businesses are looking to use AI, but they just don't know where to start.
So it's about being proactive both online and offline.
Exactly.
Okay, let's say I've landed a client who's excited about my AI-powered services.
Yeah.
Now comes the tricky part. How much do I charge? Any advice for a newbie like me?
Pricing is always a challenge, especially when you're first starting out. The key is to do your research. See what others in your niche are charging, and then set your prices competitively. You want to attract clients, but you also want to value your time and expertise.
So don't undervalue myself just to win those first few clients.
Exactly. That's a common mistake a lot of new freelancers make. But remember, you're bringing valuable skills to the table, and your pricing should reflect that.
Right. Okay, so I've got my pricing figured out. I'm starting to build a client base, but now I'm feeling ambitious. I want to scale this side hustle up to hit that $1,000 a week goal. What strategies can I use to make that happen?
Scaling your AI side hustle is all about working smarter, not harder. One effective strategy is to offer packages that bundle multiple services together at a discounted price.
Okay.
So for example, you could offer a social media marketing package that includes graphic design, content creation, and even some basic chatbot management.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Sure.
It's a win-win for both you and the client. What other strategies can I use to level up my earnings?
Upselling is another powerful technique. Once you've built a strong relationship with a client and proven your value, offer them additional services that complement their existing package. So for example, if you're building chatbots, you could offer analytics reports that track their performance or even training sessions to help their team manage the chatbot effectively.
So it's all about finding ways to add more value and create those long-term client relationships.
Exactly.
That makes a lot of sense. But to be honest, this all sounds almost too good to be true. Are there any real-life examples of people actually achieving success with these AI side hustles?
Oh, absolutely. These aren't just hypothetical scenarios. There are tons of people out there using AI to create thriving side hustles and even full-time businesses. Take Sarah, for instance. She started offering AI-powered graphic design services on Fiverr using Canva AI. Within just a few months, she was earning over $3,000 a month, creating stunning visuals for clients all over the world.
Wow, that's incredible. It's
Oh.
really inspiring to hear stories like that. Any other success stories that might motivate our listeners to take action?
Another one that comes to mind is Jake. He leveraged his expertise in building AI chatbots for e-commerce stores and landed 3 major clients through LinkedIn. Within 2 months, he was making over $1,200 a week, all thanks to the power of AI and his willingness to put himself out there.
Those stories are amazing.
Hmm.
It really goes to show that with the right skills and a bit of hustle, anyone can tap into the incredible income potential of AI.
Exactly. And the best part is you don't need to invest any money up front to get started. Most of these powerful AI tools offer free or trial versions that are more than enough to land your first few clients and start building your portfolio.
This has been an incredibly insightful deep dive. You've given our listeners so much to think about and act on. Before we wrap up, I want to leave our listeners with a thought-provoking question. Of all the AI side hustles we've discussed today, which one resonates most with your skills and interests? Which one sparks your curiosity and makes you want to learn more?
That's the key, isn't it? Finding that sweet spot where your passion meets opportunity.
Exactly. The world of AI is full of possibilities, and the perfect AI side hustle for you is the one that aligns with your unique talents and goals.
So don't wait for permission. Take that first step today and see where this exciting journey takes you.
I couldn't agree more. This has been an incredible conversation. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today.
It's been my pleasure. I'm always excited to talk about the transformative power of AI.
And to our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives, expert interviews, and actionable strategies to boost your income. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making money smarter.
For example, you could offer a social media marketing package that includes graphic design, content creation, and even some basic chatbot management.
Right?
So you're giving clients everything they need to succeed on social media all in one convenient package.
Yeah, that's a smart strategy.
Yeah.
What about upselling? Is that something I should be thinking about? Upselling is huge. Once you've built a good relationship with a client and you've proven your value, you can start offering them additional services that complement what they're already getting. So if you're building chatbots, for example,
Okay.
you could offer analytics reports that track the chatbot's performance,
Right?
or maybe even training sessions for their team to help them manage the chatbot effectively.
So it's all about finding ways to add more value and really turn those one-time clients into long-term partners.
Exactly.
I love it.
Yeah.
But to be honest, this all sounds almost too good to be true.
Right.
Are there any real-life examples of people actually achieving success with these AI side hustles?
Well, absolutely.
These aren't just hypothetical scenarios,
No,
right?
these are real people making real money with AI. There are tons of success stories out there. For example, there's Sarah.
Okay.
She started offering AI-powered graphic design services on Fiverr using Canva AI. And within a few months, she was earning over $3,000 a month, creating visuals for clients all over the world.
Wow, that's impressive.
Right. It's amazing what's possible with these tools.
Any other success stories that might inspire our listeners?
Oh, yeah. Another one that comes to mind is Jake. He's a guy who leveraged his expertise in building AI chatbots for e-commerce stores and landed 3 major clients through LinkedIn. Within 2 months, he was making over $1,200 a week. All thanks to the power of AI and his willingness to, put himself out there.
Those stories are amazing. It really shows you that with the right skills and a little bit of hustle, anyone can tap into the income potential of AI.
Exactly. And the best part is you don't need to invest any money up front to get started. Most of these AI tools offer free or trial versions that are more than enough to land your first few clients and start building your portfolio.
That's huge. So many people are looking for ways to make extra money without having to shell out a ton of cash up front. This has been such an insightful deep dive. You've given our listeners so much to think about and act on. Before we wrap up, I want to leave everyone with a thought-provoking question. Of all the AI side hustles we've talked about today, which one resonates most with you? Which one sparks your curiosity and makes you want to learn more?
That's a great question. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets opportunity.
Exactly. The world of AI is full of possibilities, and the perfect AI side hustle for you is the one that aligns with your unique talents and goals.
So don't wait for permission. Take that first step today and see where this exciting journey takes you.
I couldn't agree more. This has been a fantastic conversation. Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today.
It's been my pleasure. I always love talking about the power of AI.
And to our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives, expert interviews, and actionable strategies to boost your income. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making money smarter.
So you're giving clients everything they need to succeed on social media all in one convenient package.
Right. Makes sense.
Hmm.
What about upselling? Should I be thinking about that too?
Oh, upselling is huge. Once you've built that relationship with a client and you've proven that you can deliver, then you can start offering those additional services that kind of build on what they're already getting.
Yeah.
So let's say you're building chatbots.
Okay.
You could also offer analytics reports, that track the chatbot's performance.
Yep.
Or you could offer training sessions for their team to, help them learn how to manage the chatbot effectively.
Right. So it's all about finding those ways to add more value and turn those one-time clients into long-term partners.
Exactly.
I love it. But honestly, this all sounds a little too good to be true. Are there actually people out there,
Oh, yeah.
real people,
Absolutely.
achieving success with these AI side hustles?
Yeah, these aren't just hypothetical scenarios. There are so many people out there making real money with AI. Tons of success stories. For example, there's this woman, Sarah. She started offering AI-powered graphic design services on Fiverr using Canva AI. And within a few months, she was making over $3,000 a month just creating visuals for clients all over the world.
Wow. That's amazing what she was able to accomplish.
It really is.
Any other inspiring stories you can share?
Oh, yeah. There's also Jake.
Hmm.
He was really good at building AI chatbots for e-commerce stores, and he landed 3 major clients through LinkedIn. And get this, within 2 months, he was making over $1,200 a week. All thanks to AI and his willingness to, just put himself out there.
That's incredible.
Ah,
It just goes to show you that anyone can do this
absolutely.
if they have the skills and the drive.
Exactly. And the best part is you don't have to spend any money upfront to get started. Most of these AI tools have free trials or free versions that are more than enough to get you going. Land your first few clients and start building that portfolio.
That's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, so many people are held back by those upfront costs when they're trying to start a side hustle.
Right.
This has been such a great deep dive. Thank you so much for sharing all this with us today.
It's been my pleasure.
I know our listeners are going to be so inspired to take action. And before we go, I want to leave everyone with one final thought. Of all the AI side hustles we talked about today, which one speaks to you the most? Which one makes you excited to learn more and maybe even give it a try?
That's the key, right? Finding something that you're passionate about and that has real potential.
Absolutely. The world of AI is full of possibilities. So find that AI side hustle that aligns with your talents and your goals and go for it.
Don't wait. Take that first step today.
Couldn't agree more. This has been a fantastic conversation. Thank you again for being here.
Thanks for having me.
And to our amazing listeners, thank you for tuning in to Smart Income Masters, where we help you make money smarter. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives, expert interviews, and actionable strategies to boost your income. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making money smarter.